Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm going to show you how to create a smart scene with your XIAOMI Robot Vacuum S20. Go into Mi Home application, then select your robot vacuum ring. Then scroll down to Smart Scenes and click Add and Manual Controls. Now you can enter a name and add an action. For example, first delay for 1 minute, then Frank starts cleaning, then delay 1 minute, so it only cleans for 1 minute, and return to dock for charge. Okay, and that's it. Why oh, I need to first do something, so stop cleaning. Okay, then delay 1 minute, start cleaning, delay 1 minute, and return to dock charge. And create. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.